What is up, guys? Johnny1125 here, back with another video. Today I just went and checked the mail. I'm getting ready to get ready for work, and I went to the mailbox and I have not one but two packages. So without further ado, let's get it started. The first one is a DVD. If I can get the stupid package open. I have SummerSlam 2004 with Randy Orton and Chris Benoit for the Heavyweight Championship, JBL versus The Undertaker for the World Heavyweight Championship. I mean the WWE Championship, excuse me. Eddie Guerrero versus Kurt Angle. Triple H versus Eugene. Till Death Do Us Part. Lita marries the winner. Matt Hardy versus Kane. Best of 5 series for the Undisputed United States Championship between Booker T and John Cena. One of the better feuds. Triple threat match for the Intercontinental title. Edge, Batista, and Chris Jericho. And then a 6-man tag match. Rey Mysterio, Paul London, Billy Kidman versus the Dudleys. And then Diva Dodgeball. So, pick that up. Inside. Let's see. No idea what that is. And the second one. I got this from Shop Zone on eBay. I'm guessing that's like WWE's thing. Because, you know, they used to be called Shop Zone. But, I mean, they've got all kinds of stuff, man. But I got a deal. It was 3 discontinued t-shirts for 20 bucks. And I thought I'd give it a try if I can get it open. Tell you what, they do good on the packaging. And it's packaged again. Uh-oh. I see one that I know I'm already going to like. Okay. First off. Wow, that's strange. I wasn't expecting this one. But, I have the Randy Orton Viper Apex Predator shirt. It's not bad. And it's got the Viper on the sleeve. Saving that one for last. Haha! Yes. I have now a The Rock t-shirt. And on the back it says the recognized symbol of greatness with his signature. It's not bad. I was thinking they were going to be older shirts, man, because I was looking at those and I was like, gotta get one. This one, I don't know if this means that it's been misprinted. No. It's not back showing off if you can back it up. But see, it doesn't say if you can. I think that's the problem with it, because they also said that they would send ones that were misprinted. So now I have my Ziggler shirt. I've been wanting this shirt for a while, so to be able to get 3 shirts for the price of $20, I'll take that, because that shirt alone is $24, I believe. But anyways, guys, we're gonna get a recap. It's not showing off if you can back it up. The recognized symbol of greatness. And the Apex Predator RKO. And then, of course, SummerSlam 2004. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, leave your comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video.